In conclusion, let's just learn how to give character. When you want to name your baby, prophesy into his or her life with the name you will give. What do you think that baby will be? What do you think, if you have to guess, what do you think he or she might become in the future? Let that name portray the good side of that child. Let that name be something that when he or she is called, and he will hear his name and understand that I have a responsibility on my hand. For instance, I've already understood this concept way back. I've been praying for wisdom. So one time I was reading the book of Proverbs. So I was also trying to understand Solomon. So I was asking God, bless me with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. So that was the same period that my first son was on the way. I heard it clear in my heart. God has finally answered your prayer. And that actually pushed me. And when I were praying for the name of our first child, and I said to my wife, look at it this way. And from the explanation, we got the name Wisdom. I did not give my son the name because I saw people giving the name Wisdom. The same was when I gave my child Awesome. I have never seen anyone name Awesome. Even to tomorrow, people are still surprised as to that kind of name. The names of my kids, the first is Wisdom, Awesome, Shalom, Zion, Gospel, Kingdom, and Believe. And all these names, I don't just see names, I see character. I prophesy into their life as well into my own life. So even while I'm gone, they will still be there to work out this name, to know that, look, you need to do awesome things in your life. You need to let your actions portray the awesome work of God. Let people notice the act of wisdom, knowledge from your actions. We have all this as character. Upon Mount Zion shall be deliverance. It's like a glory. And when you check around, you will discover that some people have names that they wish they would change. They are still struggling to accept those names as theirs. And so, please don't give your child a name that he will grow and want to change. So I will urge you to already, when you are the first month, second month, before the 9th month, if you pray, if you really pray, God will definitely reveal to you what kind of name you should give your child, what kind of name and what that child may be in the future. I bet you will get a revelation. Don't give your child a name because you saw it on the television or because you see them play do great things on the social media, because you watch TV and you are in love or you are a fan. I saw people even give the name Davido. No more David, but Davido. These are the things that when those children grow, when they grow, maybe you are no more there and they will be struggling to change the name. Like the lady I saw, there will be more video on this topic, but I will stop here so that it will not be too long. I just hope you will understand what I mean. I don't say you shouldn't do what you want, that is your child or baby, but it will affect the name of anything must have to align with that thing's future or history, a prophecy or and a purpose that that child or that baby will grow to accomplish. So let the name glorify God. Let the name be something that you can explain the meaning. Working hard and fighting to change their name later on. May that never be your portion. So I pray and believe that You who watches who might have seen this video, please share it around and let other people know that there are ways to name our children. Name that will pull them forward. Name that will speak into their life. Not name that will demote them. Not name that you don't know the meaning. And let it be name that when that child grows and discover his or her name, he or she will be proud of you. Let it be that you gave them a character. I met a lady, her name is Mma. So in Igbo language, it is called duty. Something happened, and then I called her and I said, you don't represent your name at all. And she was sad. She was like, I'm sorry, I will correct my way. And she repented. And today, when I call her, we kind of tease her, say, Mma is now behaving like Mma. So in Igbo language, it's Mma emebego ka Mma. That is the name her parent gave to her. And that name kind of now pulling her to be the right and responsible child of God. So I beg you and I advocate that we should not be giving the name we hear or the name we like, but rather give a name that means something. Give a name that will tell about that person in the future. A name that will draw that person closer to God or closer to the pursuit, the right pursuit of life. A name that will make that person responsible. Name that he or she will easily know the meaning and not who answered the name before. The meaning and the rightful meaning. That should be the end of this video, and I will make another video. In this station, I'm trying my best not to make things too spiritual or too biblical so that anybody can easily get along. Please subscribe if you want to see this kind of video. Check out other videos in our channel. Please, as you watch, please share. That will give us more push to see that there are people who want to see our video, and support us by subscribing. Thanks for watching and remain blessed. Bye.